Welcome to Regal Nigeria Limited, where we give you information about some agricultural crops. Today we shall talk about fertilizer. Introduction. The term fertilizer implies any material added to the soil to increase its fertility. Plant needs water, sunlight, and nutrients for its growth. Plants get their nutrients from the soil. The micronutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus play an important role in the production of fertilizer. These elements are known as fertilizer elements. The type of fertilizer, the type of soil, and the type of crop help to determine the time of applying fertilizer and the methods to adopt. Very soluble fertilizers are usually applied through broadcasting method. Soluble fertilizer should be applied when there is enough soil moisture to dissolve them. No matter the method adopted, the added fertilizer helps to increase the fertility of the soil. The industry manufactures 5 basic fertilizer chemicals such as phosphate, ammonia, uric, ammonium nitrate, and nitric acid. Straight fertilizer contains only a single nutrient, while mixed fertilizer contains 2 or more primary nutrients. Mixed fertilizer can be produced by chemically reacting different ingredients and utilizing the chemical reaction as a binding force, or simply by mechanical blending together straight fertilizers. The fertilizer industry is composed of multi-product manufacturing plants. Phosphate-based products and ammonia-based products are typically produced at different plants. Phosphate fertilizer manufacturing comprises 2 principal units: production of sulfuric acid derived from elementary sulfur and wet processed phosphoric acid derived from phosphate rock. Principal products include phosphoric acid, normal superphosphate, triple superphosphate, and ammonium phosphate. Ammonia is manufactured using atmospheric nitrogen and hydrogen derived from natural gas or petroleum refinery byproducts. Ammonia is sold as a straight fertilizer and is used to manufacture uric, ammonium nitrate, and nitric acid products. Top dressing is the addition of fertilizer to crop during the growing season in order to improve plant nutrition and boost yield. Fertilizer is often applied to the soil so that the nutrients are taken up by the roots. The plant may be sprayed with solution of fertilizer and the nutrient penetrates the plant through the leaves and stem. The following techniques of top dressing is by scattering the dry fertilizer with fertilizer spreader or from an airplane. The effectiveness of top dressing depends on the weather and on the properties of the fertilizer, their solubility, and the extent to which they migrate in the soil. Mineral fertilizers that are quickly soluble in water are most often used for top dressing. Roll or side band method is mainly adopted for crops that are planted in rows or straight line. The fertilizer is applied in row or straight line a few centimeters away from the plant. Drilling machine is often used for this method of fertilizer application. In this method, the fertilizer should not touch the roots of the plant placement of nitrogenous fertilizer by in between the rows of crops like maize, sugarcane, mango, etc. When the crops like sugarcane, maize, mango are sown close together in rows, the fertilizer is applied in continuous band on one or both sides of the row, which is known as row placement. Ring placement method is mostly practiced for fruit trees in orchard or for individual grown trees. Fertilizer can be applied uniformly around the base of the tree up to a radius of 75 cm, leaving 0.5 meters at the base of the tree and forked and incorporated into the soil. To a depth of about 15 cm, The bands are to be widened with age. The method promotes early growth and prevents injury to the germination. The fertilizer is applied in a ring made about 15 cm away from the plant. This method makes it easier for the roots of the plant to absorb the fertilizer nutrient quickly.